At Aberdeen University, we train translators and interpreters, as well as students who are studying a degree in modern languages, to fulfill something really key in our world, and that is to enable communication, trading amongst leaders of nations and leaders of industry, making possible cooperation at international level as well as understanding. The university has invested in a cutting-edge conference interpreting suite, which highlights the university's commitment to continue playing a very important role in this valuable work that we do. The suite will ensure that students receive world-class interpreting training. It is an exciting addition as well to our School of Language, Literature, Music and Visual Culture. Using all the equipment will definitely help to bring out the best of students' performances. The system installed by Telvic interpreter training allows students to use a professional system that is standard at the European Union, the United Nations, and major conference facilities in international institutions. The suite also provides an opportunity for cross-facility learning through video link, which is a key development at international conferences. Students will gain essential skills in interpreting, comprehension, discrimination, retention, expression, analysis, active listening, and note-taking. Then build on this foundation by practicing specialized consecutive and simultaneous interpreting in our conference interpreting suite. Students will also put their interpreting skills to the test in a real-life simulation through our mock conferences. It is one of the most popular teaching and learning activities to boost students' interpreting, leadership and teamwork skills. Students' work will be constantly monitored and supervised through their learning process as a group, but also individually. On-the-spot feedback and guidance will be provided. Students will work in a controlled and familiar interpreting setting. Class-based activities will be designed by academics who have professional interpreting experience, and each interpreting task is set in a particular defined context inspired by this, focused on various key learning stages clearly identified in the interpreting studies corpus. These applied sessions will also be used to include a number of specific challenges for students to tackle. Speeches and activities will be designed to be as authentic as possible, focusing on the gradual development of students' skills. This pedagogical strategy, encouraged by professional bodies and large international institutions employing interpreters, such as IEC, International Association of Conference Interpreters, and the DGI, Directorate General for Interpretation, relies on stage-situated learning and has proven its value over time. And this strategy is the one that we will be using on our MSc programs, MSc in Translation and MSc in Translation and Interpreting. The Conference Interpreting Suite can be booked by students, and students can use it in their own time. Workshops and seminars will be organized as part of the MSc programs, and professional experts will be invited to participate and to work with students. Professionals will also participate in the mock conferences organized as part of the MSc programs.